Imagine stepping onto a massive cruise ship, excited for your dream vacation, only to realize you've made a rookie mistake that turns paradise into a nightmare. Today, we're counting down the 15 biggest pitfalls first-time cruisers fall into, so you can sail smoothly from day one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make travel smarter and more fun. If you're planning your first cruise, congrats! That floating resort life is amazing. But let's be real, it's easy to mess up if you're new to it. Today, we're doing a countdown of the 15 big mistakes to watch out for. I'll explain each one briefly, why it's a problem, and how to avoid it. Let's start from number 15 and work our way to the biggest offender. Number 15, skipping travel insurance. A lot of first-timers think, what could go wrong on a cruise? Well, plenty. Medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or even lost luggage. Without insurance, you could be out thousands if something happens, like a flight delay making you miss the ship. Why it's a mistake? Cruises don't refund for personal issues, and onboard medical care is pricey. Pro tip, get a policy that covers cruise-specific stuff like evacuation. Number 14, not researching the cruise line. Not all cruises are the same. Some are party vibes like Carnival, others are chill and luxurious like Viking. Booking blindly might land you on a ship full of screaming kids when you wanted romance. Why it's a mistake? Mismatched expectations lead to disappointment and wasted money. Do your homework. Read reviews on sites like Cruise Critic to find your perfect fit. Number 13, ignoring visa and passport requirements. You might think a domestic cruise skips the hassle, but many itineraries hit international ports. Forgetting to check could mean you're denied boarding or stuck on board while others explore. Why it's a mistake? Immigration rules change and excuses won't fly, literally or figuratively. Always verify with the cruise line and government sites at least 6 months out. Number 12, overpacking your suitcase. Cruises have limited cabin space, and dragging heavy bags through ports is a drag. Plus, you'll buy souvenirs anyway. Why it's a mistake? It stresses you out, racks up airline fees, and clutters your room. Pack versatile outfits, layers for weather changes, and remember formal nights. Aim for a carry-on if possible. Number 11, assuming everything's included in the fare. That base price looks sweet, but drinks, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, and excursions add up fast. First-timers often blow their budget on surprises. Why it's a mistake? You end up feeling nickel and dimed, turning relaxation into resentment. Budget an extra 50 to 100% for onboard spends and look for all-inclusive packages. Number 10, booking the wrong cabin. Inside cabins are cheap but dark and claustrophobic. Balcony ones are pricier but worth it for views. Picking based on price alone ignores location. Avoid ones near elevators or under the pool deck for noise. Why it's a mistake? A bad cabin ruins sleep and downtime, which is half the cruise. Study deck plans and splurge if seasickness is a worry. Number 9, not planning excursions in advance. Popular tours like snorkeling or city hops sell out quick, leaving you with lame alternatives or overpriced ship options. Why it's a mistake? You miss authentic experiences and pay more. Independent bookings can save 30 to 50%. Research ports via apps like TripAdvisor and book early, but leave some flex time. Number 8, forgetting seasickness remedies. Even calm seas can rock newbies, turning your vacation into a queasy ordeal. Why it's a mistake? It spoils meals, shows, and excursions. Nobody wants to hug the toilet. Pack Dramamine, ginger chews, or bands. Choose a midship cabin for less motion, and stare at the horizon if needed. Number 7, arriving at the port last minute. Traffic, security lines, or flight delays can make you miss embarkation. Ships wait for no one. Why it's a mistake? You're out the full fare with no refund, plus rebooking chaos. Fly in a day early, stay near the port, and aim to board by noon for prime pool time. Number 6, ignoring the muster drill. That mandatory safety briefing? Skipping it or zoning out is risky. Why it's a mistake? In a real emergency, confusion could be deadly. Plus, it's illegal to skip and you'll get called out. Pay attention, it's quick and empowers you to handle life jackets and evacuation. Number 5. Not using the ship's app or daily planner. Cruises are packed with activities, shows, trivia, classes, but without the schedule, you'll miss the best stuff. Why it's a mistake? You wander aimlessly or double book, wasting time. Download the app pre-cruise, highlight must-dos, and check the paper planner in your room daily. Number 4. Overindulging on day 1. Unlimited food and booze tempt newbies to go wild, leading to hangovers or food comas. Why it's a mistake? It wrecks the rest of your trip. Pace yourself to enjoy every day. Hydrate, mix in healthy eats, and remember, the buffet isn't going anywhere. Number 3. Not budgeting for gratuities. Many lines auto-charge $15 to $20 per person daily for crew tips. Forgetting this adds a surprise bill. Why it's a mistake? It feels sneaky if unprepared, and skimping hurts hardworking staff. Factor it in upfront or prepay for peace of mind. Number 2. Dismissing dress codes. Casual days are fine, but formal nights or specialty restaurants require nicer attire. Showing up in flip-flops gets you turned away. Why it's a mistake? You miss elegant dinners or feel out of place. Pack a mix of casual and semi-formal to blend in and elevate the vibe. And the number 1 biggest mistake, not disconnecting from the real world. Cruises are for recharging, but constant email checks or social media scrolling kill the zen. Why it's a mistake? You return more stressed than when you left, defeating the purpose. Set boundaries, use airplane mode, and immerse in the ocean views, new friends, and onboard fun. There you have it, the top 15 mistakes that can torpedo your first cruise. Avoid these and you'll be sailing like a seasoned pro. Whew, that was a lot, but now you're armed with the knowledge to make your first cruise unforgettable for all the right reasons. Remember, planning is key, but don't overthink it. Cruises are about adventure and relaxation. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest cruise fear? Or if you've cruised before, share a mistake you made so others can learn. Thanks for watching. Fair winds and following seas. See you in the next video.